Hi, my name is Jorge Otero, and this is the Lab 1 Part 1 demo for computer communications, specifically the undergrad section. So I'm just going to start screen sharing. So I have the design or the Lab 1 document open. So as you can see here, Part 1 just consists of 4 simple steps. I already have the Wireshark application open and the command prompt open. So we're going to just start the packet capture already. And so now that it's running, we're just gonna go to the command prompt, and then I already copy and pasted the ping command that we were given. And so here I just pasted it, and now we're just gonna run it. So the -n10 in the ping command is actually just an argument that says to send in 10 different requests to using the web server at the University of Hong Kong, which is why we have the www.ust.hk. And the ping command actually just finished. So we're just gonna stop capture, um, apply a filter using ICMP. And as you can see, once filtered out, there are a total of 20 ICMP requests and replies. So the first request here, we're just going to take a look at one request and one reply. So this is the first request right here. And so let's look at the type. So when it's a request or an echo, it's a type 8, as you can see here, and it has a code 0. And there's some other fields as well, like the checksum, header checksum, somewhere around here, the identification field, flag, it contains some flags as well. And then there's also the data field. And then so for a reply actually has a type of 0. And so a type 0 simply means a reply for a type 0 means a reply, specifically just an ICMP reply. And so as you can see here, it also contains various things such as the identification field, the checksum field, and a data field as well. And so that was pretty much it for part 1 of lab 1. Thank you so much for watching this part of the demo. My name is Jorge Otero, and that was it.
Hello, my name is Alejandro Santana, and this is the demonstration video for Lab 1 Part 2. In this part of the lab, we will be going over the traceroute program, which was used to send packets to a specific destination of your choice and kind of record the route that that packet takes in order to get to the specified destination. We will with this, we also use the Wireshark network analyzer to kind of look more into the details of the packets that are actually sent, and kind of see more in detail, more in depth what actually happened. So first, what we're going to do is open up this command prompt, and in the command prompt is where we're going to run the traceroute program. Here are this is the command for the traceroute program. So it's located in the directory of system32 called traceroute, and this input parameter here is the destination URL that we will be attempting to send a packet. So before I start, I'm going to go ahead and start the packet capture, and then I'm going to commence the. So here is just the destination URL that is we are trying to reach. And then here's just the destination IP address. And so what we're going to see here is traceroute sends sets of 3 packets. These packets can be sent in a maximum of 30 hops. So that basically means that the the packet has to only use up to 30 different IP like addresses in order to get to reach its destination. So the traceroute program is complete, and we can see it only took 12 hops to get to its destination. These are the times it took for each packet to be received by the specified destination over here by these IP addresses and their neural names. And then in particular, we can see a big jump between hop 6 and hop 7. So yeah, we can go ahead and stop the packet capture. We're going to go ahead and look at the packets that were sent. And these were typed ICMP. And if we go ahead and look, we can see 3 different types of packets that are that we receive. So first being the echo ping request. Basically, this is just a packet requesting confirmation from the destination address. And then this is a time to exceed error packet, which basically means that the set time to live parameter was not enough for the packet to reach its destination. So here we can see time to live was set to 1, so we only had 1 available hop, and the packet was not able to reach its destination in that time. And as you can see in the program, the amount of hops required for it, the packet to reach its destination was 12. So any basically any echo ping request packet that only had a time to live less than 12 is going to receive a time to live exceeded error packet in response, just because less than 12 hops is not enough for that packet to reach its destination. So as we can see, traceroute just increments these time to live variables until it reaches a time to live variable that allows for a echo ping reply, in which the destination address lets the source address know that the message was received. And so if you look into the actual information about these packets, you can see, based on the datagrams, what type of packet you have or you're looking at. So echo ping requests are of type 8. Echo ping replies are of type 0. And time to live exceeded packets are of type 11. And as you can see, the echo reply and echo request packets have the same amount of bytes, while the time to exceed packets have more, as it includes some packets from the echo reply. And yeah, that's basically everything for this portion. And thank you for listening.
I'm Yushin Lee. I'm gonna demo part 3 with this lab 1. Let's begin and share my screen. Okay, let's go through the steps in this instruction. Firstly, download and install ping plotter. I've already done. And start Wireshark and begin packet capture. Started by clicking the Ethernet, and I started this packet capture. The third step, using the Windows platform, is starting the ping plotter and enter name of a target destination. The name I will use this address provided in this instruction by just copy and paste. And in this, I will create a new tracer and enter the target name or IP. I will enter this, just begin tracer. Make it a little bit wider. We could save this. Until there will be file segment, and we could see there's a huge delay between the 6th and the 7th segment. Just stop the tracing. I follow the step 4. If you finish the tracing, stop packet capture in the Wireshark. Stop the packet capture. And then in your trace, you should be able to say the series of ICMP echo request. By saying this ICMP protocol, we just type in the ICMP in this filter window, ICMP, and we could say the ICMP protocol I have captured. So, and I could easily saying this here, or from here, the source and destination. This is a host IP, and this is a destination IP address. And we could say here is a echo request, and or the UDP segment sent by your computer. By saying the UDP segment, we could type in UDP. There's a UDP package sent or received by those two IP address. And the third part is under the ICMP TTL exceeded messages. We could again typing ICMP. We could say this is a time to leave exceeded packet, which is also could be called the ICMP error packet, I believe. And that's all the demo about what to report. Those 7 questions will be included in the Lab 1 report. Thank you for watching.